Look at this. These Y lines here at the front that the Sian now has, also to symbolize the electric kind of movement through the car. 63 to mark the year that Lamborghini was founded. This is where the supercapacitors would be, and that is what's going to provide energy to the car. This is the Terzo Millennio, you guys. This is what Lamborghini pictures their first electric car to look like. This is the Lambo V12 Vision Gran Turismo, and look at these lights on the back. You've got the signature Y line here, and how cool are these tailpipes? You can see them go all the way in to the naturally aspirated V12. This is a concept car, one-seater car made for the Gran Turismo game. Ready? Watch here. The whole boot raises up. How cool is that? When it goes into Corsa mode, the fins come out. This comes out. How freaking cool is this? I'm going to show you the interior. I'm super excited about this. And look at the floating console here. Full Y line all the way down. Your start stop. Watch. Ready? Over here. Lanzador. This is the first all-electric four-seater Lamborghini. What do you guys think?